Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw joy from inside out. Let's grab our pencils and let's begin. Let's start off by drawing a circle. There we go. We're just going to draw a rough circle, and then of course I'm just going to divide it in two, and I'm going to divide it again just a little bit on the lower side at the bottom. Now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw eyes. Now what I'm going to do on this side, I'm just going to draw the bottom of the eye here, and I'm just going to draw another line there as well, and then right in between we're just going to draw a little circle there for a nose. Now right on top we can just roughly draw an eye, and then I'm just going to draw the irises there as well. Good. Now right above we're just going to draw two little eyebrows standing up, and then of course we're just going to draw a little smile there as well. Great. Now next up, what we're going to do, we're going to draw our hair. Now I'm just going to draw roughly this way, and then of course maybe here, something here, and then I bring it back. Good. Now from here we're just going to draw it a little bit higher, nice and round, and then on top I'm just going to draw a little line, some hair standing up there as well. Good. So there we have a rough shape of our head. Next up we're going to draw Joy's body. Now right below her chin I'm just going to draw a little square. There's a square, and then below that I'm just going to draw a little line out as well. There we go. And then of course I'm just going to draw a little line in like this, and that's going to be her legs. And on the side we can maybe draw her arms, so maybe her arms can extend out. I'm going to draw a little ball there and a little ball there as well for her arms. Now this one a bit longer, maybe like this. Good. Now what we can do, I'm going to draw a little hook out on both sides like this, and then we're going to bring the line in and do the bottom there, and then I'm going to draw her arm extending out like this, and I'll draw another arm extending out again, and then of course we're going to just draw the hand, a little thumb, and we all do this by doing a ball and then just a little oval on top. We're going to go in with the details a bit later. Now back to the eyes, I'm going to do a pupil, there we go, and another pupil right there. Good. And then you can just make your head a little bit rounder there at the bottom. Okay, good. And then of course I'm just going to draw feet here as well. Great. Now let's go and take our markers, and we finished drawing Joy. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to start with her hair, and I'm just going to draw it a bit nicer, maybe like this, and then here we can draw another hair like this, and then maybe something here, and then I'll just bring it around on this side, drawing here, going there, and then of course I'm going to start up here, and I'm just going to make her hair nice and round and bring it back. I'm going to do this side as well, and from here, and I'm going to make it nice and round, bring it back there, and then I'm going to start with the eyes. Now just going to do the bottom there, do the bottom there as well, and you can draw the eyes there. And then of course I'm going to draw a pupil, and on this side I'm going to draw a pupil as well. There we go. And maybe the iris, and on this side just a little iris as well. And then on the top here, I'm going to do a light reflection and maybe a smaller light reflection there as well. Then we're going to go to the top and we can do the eyebrow. Great. So let's fill the pupil in. Next up, I'm going to do a button nose, and I'm going to make it a little bit different. I'm going to change it a little bit, and then right above that, right below that, sorry, I'll draw a little smile, and then of course the jaw, and bring it up. Now I think I made this a bit wide. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it a bit more narrow, the body, maybe like this and like this. Or you can erase your pencil line and you can adjust it and do it with pencil again. I'm just going to do it without the pencil, and I'm just going to draw a dress. I'm going to give the dress a little bit of little waves there. I'm just going to take this and bring it back there as well. Now here I can bring the dress back, and here I can maybe bring it back again. Right, so in the middle I'm going to bring a leg back down this way, and I'm going to bring it back there. I'm going to make her legs a bit more skinny. There we go. And I'm just going to connect her dress as well. We can do the shoes. There we go. And then back to her arms. Now I'm going to do it a bit different here. Just going to bring her arms out. You see I made it a bit too long, so I'm just going to do a little thumb, and then of course just draw her hand there, and we can draw her fingers there as well. Now let's go this side, and then draw a little thumb, and I'll draw a little box for her hand, bring it back. This one's a bit shorter than the other one, and there we go. Now you can go and you can erase all your pencil lines, and when your ink is dry, you can also color Joy in. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.